Hey there, fellow travelers. I'm Emmett.
And I'm Wildstyle.
After our last adventure, I guess you could say we've kind of become movie stars.
But we're between movies right now. And what do movie stars do between movies?
Star in a flashy airline safety video. Can we get the step-by-step flashy video instructions, please?
Here you go.
Step 1, make sure you're inside the airplane. Oh, here we go.
Carefully stow your luggage in the overhead bin. Whoa! Emmett!
Oh, I thought you were a suitcase.
You can also store it under the seat in front of you.
What's next? Oh, please say seatbelts, please say seatbelts.
Seatbelt.
I knew it! When the seatbelt sign is on, please fasten your seatbelt. Keep it fastened and visible while seated. Yes! You can release it as shown here when needed. The cabin crew also provides loop belts for infants.
Step 2, don't be afraid to use shameless celebrity cameos in your safety video.
Did someone say cameo? It is illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in lavatories, which are equipped with smoke detectors. So don't even think about it, hombre.
Batman, do you want to sit next to me?
No, I fly biz class.
Set phones and all electronic devices to flight mode. All devices with no flight mode must be switched off. For takeoff and landing, please unplug all devices. Small devices may be held. Large devices must be stowed. If your device is lost or falls into the seat structure, call a cabin crew member.
Step 3, a sweet moment between a parent and child.
Dad.
In case of a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. Pull the nearest mask towards you to start the oxygen flow. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping your child.
Stop being weird.
Step 4, it's not a flashy airline safety video without a song and dance. That will get stuck in everyone's head for the rest of the flight.
I got this. Attention to all passengers on this flight. We're gonna have a good time in the air tonight. It's a party in the sky. Let's pack our dreams and fly. It's a party.
Stop! It's gonna get stuck in my head. No one wants to hear a song about safety.
Moving on. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs help you locate them. Locate the nearest sign, which may be behind you.
Hey, there it is. Ow.
In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and illuminated path along the aisles. As you exit, please leave all your luggage, high heels, and sharp objects behind so as not to impede the rapid evacuation. Exit doors are fitted with slides, which will be operated by the cabin crew in case of an emergency. Your life vest is located here or here. Place it over your head and pull the straps tight. Inflate as you leave the plane by pulling the red toggles or blowing into the tubes. The light will come on when in contact with water. The cabin crew provides life vests for infants. Please only remove and put the life vest on if instructed to, and inflate immediately. For takeoff and landing, close your tray table, open your window blind, and make sure your seat back is fully upright. Stow your footrest, video screen, and handset.
Step 5, overly earnest closing remarks.
Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the safety card in your seat pocket.
Make sure to follow the signs, placards, pictograms, and cabin crew directives. Let's see, sensible, safe airline-approved humor, celebrity cameos. Oh yeah, enjoy your flight. Was that too earnest?
That was awesome, you guys. Let's widen this world.
Oh no, not the song. No!
Yes!
No! It's a party in the sky, let's pack our dreams and fly. It's a party in the sky, let's pack our dreams and fly. This is gonna get stuck in my head.
It's a party in the sky with Turkish Airlines.